Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix Shopify Payout not working. So, if your Shopify payouts aren't working, follow these troubleshooting steps. First, check your payout settings. Navigate to Shopify admin, click on settings at the bottom left, navigate to payments, then navigate to Shopify Payments. So here, after navigating to Shopify Payments, look out for any error messages or holds on your payouts. Now, second way to fix this problem is verifying your bank details. Ensure that your bank account details are correct in the settings, payments and bank account page. So after navigating to the payments page, if you have added your bank account, it will show up just right here. You'll have to just double check and ensure that your bank details are correct. Now, third way to fix this problem is checking for Shopify payment holds. Shopify may hold payouts due to business verification issues. If prompted, submit the required documents like business license, ID, etc. Now, fourth way to fix this problem is ensure that you meet the payout schedule. Shopify payouts are not instant. Check your payout schedule under Shopify payment settings just on this page. Now, fifth way to fix this problem is checking for payment processing delays. Some banks take 3 to 5 business days to process deposits. Contact your bank to check if they received the transfer. Now, sixth way to fix this problem is verify that there are no fraud or compliance issues. Shopify may hold payouts if there's suspicious activities or high refund rate. Check your email for messages from Shopify support to fix this problem. Now, seventh way to fix this problem is contacting Shopify support. So if everything looks correct, but you're still not receiving payouts, reach out to Shopify support for further assistance. And if Shopify payment isn't working, consider using PayPal or third-party gateways as backup options. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.